Keeping the value high. Kung may hawak kang bagay na sobrang valuable, di mo tinatago, pinapahalagahan mo. Pero paano kung ang value na hawak mo ay yung gospel mismo? Many times, iniisip natin ang gospel is something na for me lang, pang personal growth, pang peace, pang blessing. Pero sinasabi sa 2 Timothy 2 verse 2, entrust it to others. And the things you've heard me say, entrust to reliable people who will also be qualified to teach others. Ibig sabihin, hindi lang para sa iyong good news. Dapat dumadaloy, hindi natatago. Alam mo kung kailan bumababa ang value ng isang bagay? When it stops being used. When it stops being passed on. But the gospel is different. The more you share it, the higher its impact. The more you disciple, the wider its reach. Hindi ito nababawasan. Pagkus, dumodoble. Kaya pala ang instruction ni Paul kay Timothy ay klaro. Huwag mo lang pakinggan. Huwag mo lang ikip. Ibigay mo sa iba who can also teach others. That's called multiplication. Yan ang tunay na pagpapahalaga sa gospel. Hindi mo kinikimkim, kundi binubuhos mo. Simple lang ang tanong natin today. Sino ang pwede kong i-follow up or i-disciple this month? Hindi kailangan na perfect ka. Hindi kailangan ng preachers tayo. Ang kailangan lang is willing tayo. God uses ordinary, willing people para gumawa ng extraordinary spiritual impact. Baka yung simpleng follow-up text mo, coffee invite mo, or pray mo for someone, yun pala yung magbubukas ng next generation of disciples. Kaya, keep the value high by passing it on. Let the gospel multiply through you. Salamat kapatid. God bless.